Question 28 requires us to draw a quadratic graph. Now, this is not easy, but we can help ourselves with some key facts, which tells us that when we have a quadratic graph that says x squared, we've got some symmetry. Now, notice these minus 2 here's are equal, so therefore I already know this point is minus 3, because that's the one inside, and this point out here must be 3. Let's just check to see if that's correct. So, when x equals 3, y equals 3 squared minus 4 times 3 minus 2. If you've got a good calculator, you can just put that in, it will give you an answer. If you don't, we get 9 minus 12 minus 2. 9 minus 12 is minus 3, and minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. So yeah, that's correct. Okay, we could do exactly the same for when x equals minus 1. So if we substitute that in, that would give us minus 1 squared minus 4 times minus 1 minus 2. Now this is obviously quite difficult with all of these negatives. Minus 1 squared is 1, negative times negative is a positive. Likewise, minus 4 times minus 1 will give me plus 4. And then we minus the 2. 1 plus 4 is 5, and 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So yes, we're correct again. But what about when x equals 2? That one we have to work out, even though we've spotted the symmetry. So let's put it in. So y equals 2 squared minus 4 times 2 minus 2. 2 squared is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Got to take away the 2. 4 minus 8 is minus 4. And minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. So that's our minimum point there. So let's plot those points. We've got minus 1, 3. 0 minus 2. 1 minus 5. 2 minus 6. That's the bottom one. 3 minus 5. 4 minus 2, and 5, 3. And notice that symmetry that we have. Now we've got to draw that graph as neatly as possible, going through the points, and a curve. You would lose a mark if you drew straight lines. It must be as good a curve as you can possibly do. Now the final part asks us to use your graph to find the estimate of the values of x when y is equal to minus 3. Now think about the line y equals minus 3. That is a horizontal line that crosses the y-axis at minus 3. So it is this line here. That's the line y equals minus 3. So what values of x are equal to this at minus 3? Well, to find out, let's draw two vertical lines here and here, and they will tell me our two values. So the first one, they're going up in jumps of 0.1, so I've got 0.2 here, and this one, if that's 4, 3.9, 3.8, 3.7. You might have got something slightly different, but they will give you a bit of margin for error for those.